Hi and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and this is my first attempt to make a junk journal. So please, I would appreciate if you could write me a comment on how you found this project. I worked with a digital junk journal kit with a lot of ephemera, tags, envelopes and pockets. Candida Lorruso is an Italian artist and she made this kit, so you can buy it from her Etsy store and there is a link down below in the description area, as well as you can also find her YouTube channel. For me, junk journal was an unknown word and I couldn't quite understand what's the purpose of making a journal. Soon I realized that junk journals often become books for keeping memories, ephemera that remind you of trips you might have taken, but we can also use them to stick our photos. Even we can use them as a very special wedding guest book in a wedding that follows a vintage style. The size of this junk journal is 22 by 16.5 centimeters with a 5 centimeters spine and it has 4 signatures. I used a lot of stamping with brown archival ink, laces, and I tea-dyed my pages. I cut pages from an old book and stick them down. Actually, it's not my style because I always make romantic projects and mini albums using pinks and whites, but I think I had to make one to compete with myself. I hope you liked it. See you next time. Bye!